Today I'm going to show you guys this UltraPro Black Outdoor Electrical Out Cover. Now the great thing about this cover is that it's going to seal off all your connections and it's waterproof. Now look at this one. This is the old connection that we're going to be replacing today. As you can see, it has those metal doors, and the problem is that if you plug something into it, water can still leak inside. But this is going to solve all my problems. First of all, it's weather resistance. You can mount it horizontally or vertically, and it's lockable by putting a small little padlock at the bottom. As you can see, this is what it's going to look like. And if we turn around to the back, at the bottom here is where you can put that little lock on it to secure your plug. And this is going to be great for any time you need to hook up a security system, or if you want to protect kids from being electrocuted. But let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what's inside. Now we have it out of the box. You can see that it's made out of this really sturdy material. There are some slots right here in case you mount it this way, and slots right here in case you mount it this way. And again, that's going to keep that water from going inside. And on the back of it, you can see that it has screw holes for just about any type of bracket out there on the market. First thing we need to do is turn off the electricity, and then you want to go ahead and remove the old cover from your outlet. Now we'll need to replace this whole outlet, but I just want to give you guys an idea. So then you want to just take this little cover, you want to put it over like this. And then you want to put this on top of that and screw it in. So I got this on temporary. All we need to do is just put a trim plate right over the top of it, and then it's pretty much ready to go. So I have two plugs into it. Just make sure they're in these little slots. Snap into place, and there you go. That is the UltraPro outlet cover. Check it out.